Meet the TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb, a Wi-Fi-enabled LED bulb that lets you control brightness, colors, schedules, and voice commands all from your smartphone. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. Getting started is quick and easy. First, screw the Kasa Smart Light Bulb into a compatible light socket and turn the power on. Download the Kasa Smart App on your Android or iPhone, then sign in or create a TP-Link account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the app, tap the plus icon, select Smart Bulb, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the bulb. Once paired, you can control the light, adjust brightness and colors, create schedules, and even connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free voice control. Smart features? Use the free Kasa Smart App, iOS, Android, to control your smart light bulb from anywhere with your smartphone. Dim, turn on or off, or change the colors of your light bulb remotely at your fingertips. Have your voice assistant change the color to help you wake up in the morning, or adjust the brightness to help your kids settle down in the evening. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb. See you in the next one.